High School ad hoc apo kalama jong Federation of All Meghalaya Teachers Association kilarai matakasi ka atarik naitung arajar arpuar ban tang be ye kejeng khi daga be song bat thia miet asurok kani karai kala shem ha ka jalang jon hikai ka bau no aktin ka sang ba mewon lang do le pemna shi kini hikai ka por ba pemna ya kani ka rai ka jong ki na ka ba be bod la dak mesim bat la jaw umat bat baro kini kai ru kila jaw umat nang namar kejeng le bam sinyo jong ka sarkar ya ka jeng dawa ka jong ki la ban ka honde ba kini kai na do ka atu pratarik jong umna ibada dep kile shong khmat jong ka secretariat da ka ba samit ru akate ka chaka hai ni ka jeng ki jong ki la bon ba ki seng na kaleng kan thup ru ye ki seng jong kinong di madan kinong traying brio seng sang ka te dali ban ai jeng karsan ye kan ka jeng ki jong kini kai
I see these teachers here from far-flung places. They have come, they have slept here at night. They have had sleepless nights. We do not know whether they have had food or not. It pains my heart, it pains my soul. But still we are here because we are waiting for what we deserve. So we want you to come here. You can make an arrangement for an emergency meeting today. We know that the CM is coming today. So look for an emergency meeting, solve our issue. We do not want to sit here all the time. For me and the others who are still young, it's fine. It's fine. But I cannot see the women who have children at home waiting to come and sit here. The other day, there's a teacher who had a child, 3 months old. She came at night along with her husband. She brought tea for us. The child is in the car. And she still came. She still came. But what does the government do? The government does not know because they are sitting there. They don't know what is going on here. And these politicians, just to secure your seat, you are sitting there. Why are you not speaking? The names that I've already taken, why are you not speaking? Why are you not speaking? Because you are afraid of the next election. Election will come and go. But the human soul, once it goes, it will never come back. We cannot live like this. So please, solve our issue as soon as possible. And we hope that if this MDA government has a heart, it will not play games anymore. We are tired of games. We are tired of games. See, for the very first time, in a very long time, look at these tents. This is being constructed by the Khasi Students Union. This is being constructed by the Inyotrap Youth Council. And that is being constructed by the HNYF. We did that, but it's their tripal, it's their bamboos. And so many other Seng, Halang have come. They have given us food, they have given us water, they have given us whatever we need. These tripals that we are also sitting here, it's all from these people. So for the very first time, we are seeing in the very same place, all of these people in the society, they are coming together. And Bak Prestun, this is not political. This is the change that we want to bring. A change where we come together as one, a change where we understand each other, we help each other, and we grow together. This is what we want the politics of Meghalaya to look like. If you think this is political, if you say that this is political, then yes, Bak Prestun Tensong, this is exactly the face of politics that we want to see in Meghalaya. We're all people, irrespective of what sections, you come together, you live together, you help each other. Whether you are college teachers, the college teachers have also come. Whether you are the deficit teachers have come. Whether you are people who are working in the government, the people who are working in the government have also come. And every single human being with a heart and a soul, every single person in Meghalaya has come. This is what we want a government to look like. A government just like what Abraham Lincoln has once said, Democracy is a government of the people, for the people, and by the people. This is something that we have to live by. This is democracy. And this is what we are living with. This is what we strike to become a government, although we are not part of government, to become one with the government.